Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, just doing a little fast test video right now. I am on my ROG Ally right now doing a fast recording. I'm using OBS, as you can see right there. Yeah, OBS on the ROG Ally, and I have my microphone connected to it, and I am actually using a special type of mixer. This is called the M Game. What is it? The M Game RGB dual RGB mixer. Is by M Game. So yeah, I got the sound effects, all like cool stuff on there. A lot of you guys don't know that I do a lot of my kids voices and stuff on it, so when I switch it over on my voice changer,
now I sound like a freaking kid right now, and this is freaking awesome, bruh. Like, you don't understand how I can do all this with this device.
or I can go more of a teenager.
So I'm more of Kylo Ren.
So yeah, let me switch over to more of a kid.
So yeah, I'm 14, and yeah, this is more how I sound, and I'm gonna switch over to my little brother Timmy. So I'm Timmy, and I'm 9, and this is how it sounds when I'm playing. But let's switch it over to my little brother. Okay, so this is me. I am more clear, and this is how I sound. Yeah, peace out, bitches.
All right, so yeah, I got sound effects.
I need it!
I got that up on here, and I got.
Oh my god, I almost died! No! It was so scary, thank you. It's okay.
So how y'all like that? Do one
Oh
more.
my god, I almost died! No! I almost died, that was so scary, thank you. It's okay.
Yeah, so this is basically on the ROG Ally. I'm not gonna do no gameplays on this because as long as I got OBS up, my frames is going to drop. So I'm gonna show you up on screen right now what I'm talking about. So let's pop this up right now. As you can see, my CPU usage right now is 13%. If I stop using OBS, it's gonna drop all the way down to 2%. So basically OBS is taking up 1% on it. I'm doing a recording right now, but as soon as I play a game, it's gonna basically go all the way up. My memory right now is 275 megabytes, so you can actually see it's at 47% being used, and that's basically just coming from OBS. My antivirus software is actually use it. Normally, I would cut down the antivirus software to limit it, the usage towards my memory. Got live wallpapers is on. This is on right here, so let's cut this off real quick. Okay, we got that off, so that's killing some resources right there. Live wallpapers on, as you can see right here. That's eating up resources. Basically, my second monitors was actually causing the frames right there. If I kill it real quick, I'm just gonna kill it real quick. All right. So basically, see what happened. It's not taking up nothing no more. That's because I killed the app right there. It's not taking up my resources. Dropped it down right there. The next resources being taken up is it's the anti-virus thing. So this is that. So if I kill that, that'll eliminate some of the usage towards it. But I try to eliminate things running in the background. I need to actually go into my settings and turn off apps that can run in my background to save me some stuff. So yeah, it is the things. Let me just show you that I am on my ROG Ally, so yeah, guys don't say I'm not on my ROG Ally right there. So yeah, let me go into my folders. Actually, let's go to Armory Crate. This is on Ally, as you can see. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Got all my stuff set up. Got all my games set up on here. I literally ate up 10 terabytes because I put large games up on here. So yeah, what I want to do is go in here. As you can see, Army Crate right there. My good stuff right here. Got my epic games. I gotta put my GOG back on here. Updates. No. What I'm going to do is I want to change my wallpaper. So let me go to here. I'm gonna go to here. As you can see, I nearly killed almost a terabyte of just games, and it's high demand games. You see, got Watch Dogs, all that good stuff on here. Papers, moving wallpapers, RG wallpapers. So I want to put this as my background. Look at that, freaking sick. That's sweet. Or I can have it do the other one. It eats up resources. I try not to use the ornament, the moving wallpapers if I don't have to. But I want to go with my theme, so it'll be probably more this one right here. Look at that, pink and blue. Actually goes with my theme. Goes with my theme like that, bro. Perfect. I like this one right here. That's cool, but it should have been more high def. I'm gonna put this one on here. Actually, this one moves right here. I just gotta put it through the actual thing because this one actually moves, and I gotta download the creator, so that's another thing. So I'm just gonna pop this on here, keep this down as my main background right there. So yeah, like I said, got this. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on screen. Y'all should be able to see it, but as you can see right here, this is everything with my RG ally. Pop that on. Pop that. I got everything set. My resolution should be 1440p. Let me double check. Identify 1440p. I should be at 120 hertz. Yes, sir. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch around one of my cords. Actually, no, I'm not, because I got my display in that. I'm going to use it for my portable monitor. I got to get another HDMI cord to USB Type-C. To do it, or I might have to just buy an adapter to put it inside my ally and be able to do it like that, so I can switch it over. So yeah, if I want to do gameplays on, I'm gonna use my Elgato. It's just I'm gonna have to keep swapping cords around, which I really don't want to do. Plus I'm moving, so it don't make sense for me to do a lot of this stuff. But yeah, this is my RG ally. I would pop a game in real quick, but I'm recording like this. I'll do on-screen recording a little bit later on and show you guys that. All right, it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker. Only use me time out. Remember, live it, love it, game it, peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.